I would say another great way that people get deals, and this is like every investor, this is no longer just, I'm not speaking about Trevor anymore, I'm speaking about every fix and flipper, wholesaler, landlord investor out there in the entire United States, not just in Utah. They find a lot of deals through mailing campaigns, right? If you think about it, car dealerships do it. RC Willey does it. Costco does it. You open up your mailbox and there's this key attached to a postcard in your mailbox, and it says, hey, if this key starts up the car at our dealership, the car is yours, right? And they send you a mailing campaign, and what do you usually do with it? Throw it away. You usually throw it away. RC Willey does it. They send you, hey, we're having a 4th of July sale, discounts on everything. What do you probably do with it? If you don't need that car, at least if you don't think that key will start the car, which I don't think it will, but if you don't need the furniture in RC Willey, you just basically throw it away, right? And no harm, no foul. Typically, that's what real estate investors do as well. We will do mailing campaigns. You've probably got a card from somebody, some point in your life that says, hey, I'll buy your house. Are you looking to sell? And it's all about timing, right? When the car dealership sends out that key attached to the postcard saying if this key starts the car is yours, it's all about timing. When I get that, I'm not shopping for a car, so that postcard just goes right in the garbage. But maybe out of every, 1,000 postcards they send, one person happens to be looking for a truck and is like, you know what? I'm looking for a truck anyway. I might as well take this key down to the dealership and see if it starts, and if it doesn't, I'm going to look at trucks anyway. And then they go down there, doesn't start, and they buy a truck, and the dealership makes his money back on the investment of the postcards. It works very similar as far as real estate investing. Real estate investors aren't, these geniuses that discovered the mailing campaign. Car dealerships, like I said, RC Willey, all these massive companies done it. We just duplicate what they're doing because it obviously works. And so if you've got a budget, this one obviously takes a marketing budget. If you've got a budget and you really want to get into the game and you really want to find good deals, then I highly recommend starting a mailing campaign like a car dealership, like Larry H. Miller, like RC Willey, like these massive corporations do to find leads and clients, okay? Now, that's probably going to be the way you're going to get the most deals the fastest, but you're also going to spend the most to get those deals the fastest because you have to have money to do the mailing campaign. So, maybe you're thinking, well, that's great, Yoshi. Thank you for sharing that tip. I understand that's probably the best producing resource of getting phenomenal deals, but unfortunately I don't have a budget to do a mailing campaign, so I guess I'm not going to start real estate investing today. Well, great news, because I'm about to give you another strategy, but this strategy takes labor, right? It takes time and effort, but not a single penny is necessarily involved. Okay, before we part ways, in case you have a dog or know someone else who does have a dog, I wanted to take a quick second to show you the Snap Leash. The Snap Leash can literally do so many things, and I'm going to share with you one of the many cool things that it can do. As you can see, the Snap Leash is designed with 2 swivel hooks, one on each end. This end has a cushion stitched into it to make it comfortable when walking your dog. Now, all you have to do is take this swivel hook, put it into this very first grommet, and now you've got your handle. Okay, so now let's imagine you're at the park and you want to secure your pet quickly, safely, and easily to a park bench, a tree, or a pole because you just want to sit down and relax. Well, all you need to do is take this swivel hook, remove it from the very first grommet, wrap this leash around any size tree or pole or park bench, and put it into the appropriate grommet, and now you have secured your pet quickly, safely, and easily. And when it's time to head home, another great feature about the Snap Leash is you can simply wrap it around your waist for hands-free walking. Lastly, if you ever accidentally forget your waist bags at home, these grommets make a great place to fasten the waist bags so you never leave home without them. And if you want to see all of the other cool things that the Snap Leash can do, then please just click on the link below and find out why so many others are falling in love with the Snap Leash.